Days in the day, yeah. Tell me where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised to tell me it's alright?
Hey y'all, I'm back and this shouldn't take too long. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and unbagging because the rest of my stuff for vacation from Shein came in today. It's kind of heavy, but there's not a lot in there. And then also Steve Madden's blush, I think it's called. Let me see. Maximum blush. Yes, came in and I got them in 10. I wanted the matching purse. I did not get it. Maybe I still will, but I don't think it'll come in time. We'll see. Everything is on back order. I actually ordered these in April and they're just now making it, and it's like mid-May. So let's do this. I'm recording, Jay. Stop. I'm recording. Close the door, guys. It just came with the invoice, of course. Hopefully, none of my information is on here. No, it's not. So, it's just the invoice. Tells you how much it is and about returns. Alright. It comes in a box like this. Not a big foot. I wear a 9. It just says a maximum blush. They come in multicolors. I want to make a TikTok. So hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to make a quick TikTok and I'll post it probably in this video, like in the corner somewhere on the screen. Somewhere so you can see it. But so I just opened them and I love them. So like I said, it comes with your invoice and return information. It has like some extra little crystals, I guess, and I'm not sure what that is. Probably just like protection from the packaging. So they have it wrapped up. Look at this shoe. It's so freaking pretty.
Hold on, wait! Let them hoes get into it right quick. Go TV! Yes!
Look at it, y'all. Look at the details. Let's get into it.
You in my business? Don't do that. You in my business? You in my business? Don't do that. 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 You in my business, sir? Don't do that. The fuck?
Yeah, my legs are so hairy. Okay, y'all. Enough of those. Shit. really close up. That. Like I said, it's kind of heavy, but I know I didn't order a whole bunch, so I think it's just how heavy the pieces are. This is all. Three, which is weird because I feel like, oh no, that is a different outfit. So this is 3. And it's considered a bikini, but I don't think it's a bikini. Like when I saw it, it doesn't look like a bikini. So yeah, 3. 4. And then I just got like some little undies. 5. Some more undies. Like I'll explain during my haul what these are for. And then more jewelry. Then this one is like a link chain. Like it's a bracelet though. Try to open it now. I'll wait for the haul. I'll see y'all soon.
Days in the day, yeah. Tell me where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised? Tell me it's alright. Yeah.